find the following integral, the integral of x over square root of x 2x minus 1. Okay, we're going to use the method of substitution. Now the substitution to use here is u is 2x minus 1. Now if we do that, if we differentiate that, we're going to get du by dx is 2, and that means that dx is du over 2. Now we have a problem. In the previous examples, this sort of the x here in the numerator would have cancelled out, but it doesn't in this case. So what do we do? Well, what we do is we know that x from here, x could be equal to u plus 1 over 2, and we'll replace the x with u plus 1 over 2 and see if that makes the integral easier. So this becomes the integral of x, which is u plus 1 over 2, so u plus 1 over 2, times the square root of 2x minus 1, which is u, and then dx is du over 2. Okay, so we've done the substitution. The 2 and the 2 make a quarter of u plus 1 over square root of u, and we can make that 1/4 if we take this up here. We'll make this u plus 1 u to the minus a half, and then multiply out, so we get 1/4 of u to the half plus u to the minus a half du. Okay, so carrying on this integral, so that will be equal to 1/4 of u to the 3 over 2, and then raising to the power 3 over 2 and dividing by 3 over 2, that's the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. This becomes u plus u to the half. Dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2, plus c. Right, look for a common factor. Well, there's a common factor of 2u to the half here, so we'll take that out. So if we do that, the 2 and the 4 will cancel. We'll just get u to the half over 2. We've got u over 3, so we've still got the 3, plus 1, because we've taken all of that out. We can make a common denominator of 3 here, so we've got u to the half of u plus 3 over 3 plus c. Take that 3 out, we get u to the half over 6 of u plus 3 plus c. Now, u was 2x minus 1, so we'll substitute back in. So we're going to get the square root of 2x plus minus 1 over 6 times 2x minus 1 plus 3 plus c. So minus 1 plus 3 makes 2. So we've still got a common factor here of 2. So we'll take that out and make it 2 over 6 as 1/3 times the square root of 2x minus 1 times x plus 1 plus c. So this has been a video using the method of substitution. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.